Hi, good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ram. So like usual lah, hari ni Ram nak buat vlog pergi ke rumah kawan kejap. Tapi I have to be fast to go there right now. Sebab as you guys can see, right, dah nak hujan. So I have to go there as fast as possible sebab I naik pakai motor je. So this video is about the car maintenance lah. Chester, he nak tukar dia punya I don't know, minyak hitam lah, same old thing. Anyway, so I see you guys there. Shoo. Boom. So hari ni Ram dah sampai dekat Ram punya kawan punya rumah lah. So kita orang nak servis kita orang punya, Chester punya kereta dekat sini. So you guys can see there. Buat apa tu? So I'll see you guys later then.
What's up there, little boy?
Right.
Sakit.
Very friendly.
Hopefully lah.
That's easy.
Memang easy lah dia.
You flip your car so can. Hoi.
Kau ada tahu tak?
That's gangster. Look at that car. Yeah.
Good.
The day we use manually took us like half an hour. Not even that fast. Oh, yeah.
Tak lap je kau punya tu. Skru tu penting.
Tapi dorang ni mekanik ni pakai teflon tips ya.
Teflon tip.
Tip untuk apa ni? Untuk
Ni, piping.
piping. Bodoh tak bodoh. Tapi sounds weird, I guess. Is it supposed to sound like that? Let's go out.
Biar dulu. Yalah, biar dulu.
So right now they're changing this gearbox oil. Minyak gearbox supposedly to change every 40,000. So I'm sorry, I don't know much about car compared to them. So right now they lift up another side of the car so it can go like this. I don't know. The Chester cakap kena buka 12 punya nut dekat gearbox punya filter. I don't know. But since to me they're having fun, I also having fun right now. So we see how it goes lah. Looking smooth there. Fresh.
Oh, gila. Sebab tak pernah buka.
Memang tak pernah buka. Careful lah sebab aku tak off battery.
Oh, kena off kan?
Nak off tak? Just in case lah.
Boleh tak?
Tangkap. So this is the original filter and this is the one we're using right now. Chester using right now. It's OEM. I guess get the job done then. Looking good though so far.
Inside my car, got tissue paper. Can you bring toilet roll?
Alright.
It's in my car and behind the passenger seat.
Got. There you go. I'm sorry? Put in new filter. Some filter baru. This one like the 12 nut, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck. So my guy, what are you doing right now?
I'm washing the transmission pan, take out all the dirt, and here's the magnet that I have to clean up too.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you have to do it like what, 40,000 K once?
That's what people say lah, huh? But in the Purdue manual, they don't tell you when you should change. I mean, when you should change or how to change your filter. They expect you to go to their service center and change.
Alright. Lulu. But we're doing good so far. So dah clean lah.
Tarik kan?
Nice to go. So ni kalau cuci atau tambah apa? Jengkai ya?
Tak, tambah horsepower.
Tambah.
+5.
Need for speed underground too. Number 5. Now they said easier to change gear.
Yeah, it's like 10 volt, right? So it's 12 volts. So
12 feet, yeah. So it takes some time lah.
yeah.
Ni rasa aku punya askar punya position sekarang ni. Alright, looking good.
Yang jatuh tu kau baikkan.
Smooth.
Okay, kita nak buatkan air sikit.
Keluarkan dulu.
Kita test. Start.
So kita orang dah siap bahagian gearbox punya oil filter. So now we moving out to changing the brake pad lah, brake pad in front. Dua-dua kiri kanan. So we're gonna take some time. So still have a lot of things to do lah, but it's okay. Today is for servicing car only today. So see you guys. Gonna take some time. Rochester. Getting ready. Yep.
If the brakes are done, this metal piece here will actually touch against the rotor and it will make sound.
Oh, right, got it.
Oh, aku rasa yang tu lah yang.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Careful on the brake line. Sini boleh tak?
This one is like not original, right? This one you changed already.
This is the how is it OEM brake pads
Alright,
it's,
so
from
30
TRW, 30 40 ringgit.
30 to 40 ringgit, but you bought it 22 ringgit, which is the Shopee.
Yeah, same thing lah, but it's a local brand actually.
Same material lah.
Yeah, Semi-Matic's on the same. It's a Malaysian company, Best Form Brakes. Never heard of them before, so I just give it a try lah. Oh, look at it! See, it's still brand new. Fucking it's not so new lah.
So this is the old one, and this is the new one. What, semi-metallic, right?
Yeah.
Right, looking good. And this one is the old one lah. Yeah, lah. So I assume you won't change the tire yet, right? Because the behind tire is supposed to come in front, right?
Yeah, change the brakes first. Oh, booyah, biatch. Okay, so let's add more, a little bit. It's gonna have too much, right? Yeah. No. Okay, good.
Nice.
So just put this in. Okay.
So sekarang is already 9:20. So diorang dah hampir siap lah. Diorang just tukar tayar aja. Right, is it change the position of the tire lah. Yang belakang pergi depan, depan pergi belakang. Alright. Wah, it take a couple of hours lah. Tapi well, almost siap lah diorang. Brake depan semua, kaliper dah tukar, brake clap. Then nothing much lah. Later on just testing the car here and there. Oh, look at that scare the hell out of me. So anyway, it's very nice. Take quite some time. Battery pun dah full. I forgot to charge my battery, so it's battery almost habis already. Right, so I charge again. Now fully charged again. So we can continue the video lah. So
Some case like this.
yes, like I said just now, tayar depan ni akan pergi belakang.
Yeah, nak cuba.
I think this side. We go on that side. Yang ni akan pergi sebelah sana. So guys, sekarang kita take a break for a while. Tadi diorang kerja agak keras sikit lah, right? Kerja keras sikit, right? Oh, makanan dah sampai. Give me a moment. Alright, thank you, thank you.
16 bos.
16.5.
Shooting ya?
Ya, shooting.
Terganggu ah. Apa macam shooting? Acap okey acap. Oh, okey lah boleh. You tak atas waktu kurus mah.
Ha?
You lama tak mari sudah kurus lah.
Ya ke?
Dah kurus lah.
Nanti ya.
16 berapa jap?
16 dulu. 16 setengah. Sorry.
Boleh.
Shooting Avenger bang.
Avenger.
Avenger 5.
Boleh lah saya ini pelanja boleh kamera. Saya shooting mas ini.
Shooting lah, boleh.
Ya, boleh,
Mandi you call.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you boss. Alright. Ni baki. Alright. So So
Tahu tu.
that's how we do lah. Kita orang beli makanan, Amin beli makanan untuk dia punya family. I'll buy my food for me and my brothers there. So after this we're gonna continue again. I mean Chess and Amin gonna continue again. Alright, just changing tire lah. We take a break for a while. Alright, got stress sikit. Alright, see you guys. Boom. So guys, kita orang dah sampai balik dekat tempat kita orang tadi. So kita orang, dia orang dah sambung balik lah dia orang punya kerja. Right. Sekarang is around, let me see again. Wait, give me a moment. It's around 10:30. But almost finished already. I'm sorry. Kita orang akan balik soon already lah. Cuma tukar-tukar tayar je. That's it. Last. Alright. So we all done already. Just need to tighten it up.
So now we're going to use a torque wrench. So we will tighten it according to spec, so we won't over tighten the bolt or what's the fuck? So you won't over tighten the bolt or you won't tighten it too loose lah. That makes sense.
105, huh?
Yeah, 105. 7, 6, 5. So we're at 105 Newton meters.
105 Newton meters.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. So that's how it goes. So we're just gonna turn the nut. Right, turn the nut there. And hear the sound click. Then you know you get it right.
That's the sound.
Oh, that's the sound. Alright, alright.
Apa? And that's the sound.
Nice.
Means you reach the specific torque lah.
So it's considered safe. This one is safe, huh?
Yeah, according to Purdue's manual.
Alright.
Yeah, 88 Newton meters to 170 Newton meters.
So you divide by half is 105 in a way lah.
Yeah, so test.
That's amazing. Really.
Dia berapa kali TikTok? Ada 40 kali.
Tak, aku nak test je. Okay.
Alright. We'll have fun. So guys, that's it for tonight. Everything's done, everything's so smooth, everything according to the plan. Right, it took quite some time, but according to the plans lah, everything's safe and everything. Semua dah siap. Right, I mean, just the so that's the car there lah. Right, semua dah siap. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like my video and share my video. Alright, leave a comment below. I'll see you guys again soon. Boom.